Sorry if this stings a little.
That was rather underwhelming.
This'll be a nice warm-up.
That was rather underwhelming.
This'll be a nice warm-up.
That was rather underwhelming.
This'll be a nice warm-up.
That was rather underwhelming.
This'll be a nice warm-up.
underwhelming.
Oh my. It appears there are survivors.
Ultimecia.
How wonderful. I've just been searching for someone to fight. There are so few of you left.
Really? Same problem here. I guess this is our lucky day. It's been a while since I've fought anything but mannequins.
You wish to challenge me? You are quite the curious girl, aren't you? Interesting. I thought Cosmos's stragglers would be deep in despair, having lost so many of their friends. Yet here you are, defiant. I can remedy that. You'll be rejoining your allies soon.
Yeah, as soon as I'm done with you.
Deep despair.
Here goes!
Deep despair.
There is no running.
That was rather underwhelming.
This ends now. It seems we are not alone.
Kane!
You're safe.
I'm fine. Thank goodness you are too.
Delighted to see the traitor to your cause? Oh, you poor child.
Traitor?
Oh, I'm sorry. Had you thought him your savior? If I were you, I'd be more worried about him than me. Isn't that so?
What are you talking about? You're not making sense.
Look at that fallen warrior behind you. Surely even you won't dismiss evidence like that.
Behind me? Zidane!
Do you want to know what befell him? Ask your knight in shining armor.
Zidane!
Wait.
Wait! He's hurt! We have to help him!
No.
What? Kane! Zidane! What? What just happened? What's going on? Just have to find Kane to talk. Sorry if this stings a little. That was rather underwhelming. Kane! Oh, good. I found you. What are you? Kane, what's wrong? Are you hurt?
The mannequins will be upon us soon. Return to Cosmos.
What about you?
Sparing thoughts for a traitor.
Stop it! You know I trust you. All this time you've been helping us, and then you just up and change sides? Yeah, right. I mean, even if you hadn't helped me out before, I still wouldn't fall for that. We're friends, aren't we? Just tell me, what happened? Where's Zidane? Have you found anyone else? Why did you point your weapon at me?
Forgive me. That's not for you to know.
Well, I guess I'll just have to tag along.
What?
No choice. I used my potion. Girl like me? Who knows if I could make it back to Cosmos all alone. But as long as I have a friend along, I'll be okay. Right?
Tifa.
Listen, I trust you. We're friends. Sorry if this stings a little. Here goes! That was rather underwhelming. Sorry if this stings a little.
Here goes!
That was rather underwhelming. So, no matter how hard we fight, we can't win. Getting these crystals sure is a pain. I wish they'd just show up already. Then we might have had a chance at actually ending things this time around.
Don't dwell on it. When you wake, you won't remember the things we've had to endure. And when you have your crystal, you'll have no more reason to despair.
I guess not. Well then, I guess we better go find everyone else.
What?
You thought I'd let you go alone? I mean, come on. You look like you're ready to fall over. I'm still not really sure what you're doing is right. Putting everyone to sleep and all. But you do. And you're going to keep on doing it, right? You believe in yourself, and you're gonna go as far as you can. Well then, I am too. I don't want anyone else to get hurt. I want to help you fight so I can help keep everyone safe. It's not fair. I mean, getting summoned here, forced to fight, disappearing, everything. We're not just a bunch of faceless soldiers. We're friends. And we've been through a lot together.
We could well fall along the way and never see an end to this war. You'd still go?
You're still going. You know what we're up against, but you're not backing down.
I can make no promise you'll survive.
I know.
There you are.
Do I know you?
I am your enemy. That is all you need to know.
A warrior of chaos, you mean?
Yes. Now fight me. Provide me with some challenge before you die.
You don't even tell a girl your name before you stab her?
You don't remember me. How very tragic. Slow. To the promised land. Fear not. Cut. Vanish. Cut. Vanish. To the promised land. Cut. Vanish. 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 Pitiful fool. Thanks to you, I seem to have regained much of what I'd forgotten. And yet, there must be more. What would happen if I cut you down? Would your fall serve to unlock even deeper memories? It's worth a try, don't you think?
Sephiroth, stop!
A little late to the party, aren't you, Cloud?
No!
Raising a blade against me? Very well. You leave me little choice. Saving enemies from your friends?
You're no friend of mine. This ends here.
I'll fall into the shadow.
What a sour note.
That's enough. For now. There will be time later to take your life in trade for this betrayal.
Hey, thanks for helping me out back there.
It's no big deal.
No, really. I thought I was a goner. So, hey, my name's Tifa. You're one of Cosmos' warriors too, huh?
Actually, no. I'm on the other side.
Wait, so you fought one of your allies? Why?
I felt like it.
You felt like it?
Yeah.
Let me get this straight. You rescue your enemies when the mood strikes you?
Something like that.
Guess it would make sense for warriors of chaos to be a little unpredictable. Still surprises me, though. Speaking of which, you haven't told me your name.
I'm Cloud.
Cloud. Oh, sorry. So, Cloud, are you... I mean, do we know each other? I can't remember much of anything from before all this, but when I heard your name, I thought we might...
No, I've never met you before.
No, huh? Sorry, but, girls gotta ask. Anyway, thanks again for saving my skin. The way you showed up and fought that guy off, it was a pretty cool thing to watch. You were like a hero, charging in to save the girl. Chaos and Cosmos. Since you're one of Chaos's chosen warriors, I guess that means we'll have to fight each other eventually.
I guess so.
I don't know if I can bring myself to think of you as an enemy.
Well, you sure better try. Once you start second-guessing, you're done for. We're enemies no matter how you look at it. We have to fight. But for now, you should head back and join your friends before I have another change of heart.
Huh?
I'm not in a fighting mood today. Go. You should leave while you still have the chance.
Before you change your mind?
Yes.
Cloud? Will I see you again?
You will. But the next time we meet, we'll be as enemies. I won't go easy on you.
Thanks for the warning.
Once your memories return, you'll lose the will to fight, just like I have. So, before that can happen, I have to act.